tara samahan ninyo akong bumili ng chai. It's early in the morning and I'm doing my laundry for today. And it's 5:15 in the morning. So bibili tayo ng ng tea pampaano sa sa tiyan kasi malamig na guys, no? It's see the background. It's UAE National, so nagpi-prepare sila sa sa UAE National Day. So dito tayo bibili ng ng tea natin sa may restaurant. So maglalakad lang tayo pababa uli going there. Okay. So parang iluluto pa nila yung yung chai. Masarap yung chai nila diyan, yung tea with milk. Yan. Open natin yung door. Yes, nasa loob na tayo, hindi na gaanong malamig. There's a salon also here, no? Kung gusto niyo magpagupit, madalas din ako nagpapagupit. So eto na yung yung Vinlago before na restaurant. So, yan oh. Dito tayo bibili ng chai, di ba? Nag-iingay sila. So this is my chai. I'm doing the vlogs. There you go. Oh, say hi, hello. I'm gonna post it. You wanna check it? You wanna check my page? Fans club. I got almost 10K followers already.
Oh my God! Congratulations!
Thank you so much. If I'm getting my salary here in FB page. Bye guys. Thank you. Bye bye. Yes, already monetized. Bye guys. Yes, I got my tea and I'm gonna try it. There you go. Masarap guys. Yan, masarap. Panalo. So lalabas ulit tayo. Wait lang. Ayan, tambay muna tayo here. So try muna natin yung chai. Masarap. Napakalma yung tiyan ko guys kasi malamig sa labas. Ito, papakita ko sa inyo. Ayan. Ang daming gatas. Daming gatas guys. Di ba may pasalamin ng restaurant nila? Yan o. Ito yung OOTD ko for today. I'm wearing pink shorts and then blue shirts with matching medyas kasi malamig. Okay, so dito na lang tayo guys. Don't forget to share my page. Please don't comment below. And please like na rin and follow. Bye guys. Hope to see you on my next video. Bye!